Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE Digital Engineering. Welcome to another episode of DE News Roundup. Glad to have you with us. This week's Video News Roundup is brought to you by COMSOL, which provides software solutions for multi-physics modeling and simulation applications. Its flagship product is COMSOL Multi-Physics, a general-purpose simulation software for modeling designs, devices, and processes in all fields of engineering, manufacturing, and scientific research. SolidWorks World, the annual user conference for one of the widely used mechanical CAD software, is returning. This year it will take place in Dallas, Texas from February 10 to 13. This year's keynote speaker is Leland Malvin from NASA Langley Research Center. Arguably, he is the only person who has ever been drafted into the NFLN to have flown in space. Leland will speak on the third day, on Wednesday, of the show. On the first 2 days, attendees can expect to hear from Gian Paolo Bassi, CEO of SolidWorks, and Bernard Chalet, CEO of Dassault Systemes, the parent company of SolidWorks. There will be an XR zone, which stands for Extended Reality Zone, for people who want to test drive cutting-edge virtual reality and augmented reality systems and software. XR is expected to become part of the way engineers simulate, test, and review their designs while the products are still in the concept stage in digital form. SolidWorks 2009 has a feature that allows you to export your model in a format ready for AR and VR viewing. This week, 3D printing systems developer Carbon officially unveils its L1 printer, the latest addition to the company's hardware offerings. Carbon uses its proprietary digital light synthesis, or DLS technology, which may be described as growing materials in a liquid-like state. The company's printers work with a family of programmable liquid resins to produce parts. Carbon also offers the M-series printers, the mid-size or medium line. The L-series represents a larger system, promising you a wider, taller build chamber to build bigger parts. One of the early adopters of L1 is Riddell, which makes protective sports equipment. The company uses L1 to print customized football helmet inner liners, according to Carbon. This week's Video News Roundup is brought to you by COMSOL, an innovator of multi-physics modeling software and tools for creating and sharing simulation applications and digital twins for use by design teams, manufacturing departments, and more. At the IPC APEX EXPO this week, another 3D printing system developer, NanoDimension, was demonstrating its DragonFly Pro system capable of printing embedded electronic circuitry. The conference caters to the tech firms in the printed circuit board and electronics manufacturing industry. Printed circuit board, or PCB as they are generally called, are traditionally manufactured separately as an electronic component and placed inside products and assemblies. But with DragonFly printers, it opens the possibility to design products that have circuits and PCBs already embedded inside their walls and shells. NanoDimension systems are meant for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. Simulation software maker Ansys is releasing Ansys 2019 R1, which stands for Release 1. The company is highlighting the new features in its Ansys Fluent CFD solver, along with tools to simulate additive manufacturing or 3D printing processes for your design. As a nod to the importance of electronics design to the IoT era, the software includes a series of electromagnetic simulation features to design for 5G network-connected devices. In the structural analysis tools, the software includes a cloud-solving option, which lets you purchase and use remote computing power to process your simulation, so your local workstation doesn't get tied up during the simulation project. That's all the news for this week. For more news and analysis related to design and engineering and simulation technologies, go to DE247. That's digitalengineering247.com. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel, DE Streaming. I'm Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for DE, signing off.